Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a webinar with Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a webinar with Zoom, start by signing in to your Zoom account. Once signed in, navigate to the webinars section in the left sidebar. Click on the schedule a webinar button. Fill out the webinar details in the provided fields. Enter a descriptive title for your webinar. Set the date and time for your event. Choose the duration of your webinar. Select the appropriate time zone. Decide whether to make the webinar recurring or a one-time event. Next, customize your registration options. Determine if registration is required for attendees. Set a limit on the number of participants if needed. In the agenda section, provide a brief overview of the webinar content. Move on to the video settings. Choose whether to enable video for the host and participants. Adjust the audio settings to your preference, such as offering both phone and computer audio. Scroll down to the Webinar Options section. Consider enabling features like Q&A, polls, or allow attendees to join before the host. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the page when all details are set. Once saved, you will see the webinar overview page. From here, you can edit any details if necessary. To invite participants, locate the invite link. Copy the invitation link and share it with your audience. You can also send reminders to registrants as the event approaches. When it's time for your webinar, go back to the overview page. Click on Start Webinar to launch your event. During the session, engage with your audience using the chat feature. Utilize polls to make the session interactive. After the webinar concludes, you can download reports of attendee engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.